Born into a world of conflict and division, Credo Mutwa's story begins in 1921 in Zululand, South Africa. His birth was the union of a Christian builder and a Zulu girl who honored the traditional religion of her ancestors. However, the colonial authorities and missionaries deemed their bond sinful, leading to their forced separation. Raised by his father's brother, young Credo moved throughout the country, only beginning his formal education at the age of 14. It was then he began to uncover his artistic and prophetic talents. These unique abilities, however, were met with disapproval from his stepmother and the church. A life-altering turn of events occurred when he fell seriously ill at the age of 16. This misfortune led him back to his mother's village, reuniting him with his Zulu roots. This experience marked the beginning of a profound spiritual awakening. Little did he know his life was about to take an extraordinary turn. Returning to his mother's village, Credo's life took an unexpected turn. Stricken with illness, his grandfather, a Zulu warrior and healer, restored his health using traditional herbs and rituals. This remarkable recovery sparked a profound transformation within Credo. His grandfather revealed that Credo was destined to be a Sangoma, a spiritual healer who communicates with ancestral spirits. Accepting this sacred calling, Credo began an intense initiation process, plunging into the depths of ancestral wisdom. He learned about the mysteries of nature, history, and medicine from his grandfather and his aunt, another respected Sangoma. But his education didn't stop there. He was also introduced to the rich tapestry of African myths and legends, a knowledge he would later transcribe into his enlightening books. These teachings were the foundation of his spiritual awakening, shaping him into the remarkable figure he was destined to become. This, however, was just the beginning of Credo's journey. From the plains of Africa to the far reaches of the globe, Credo's quest for knowledge knew no bounds. A wanderer at heart, Credo journeyed across continents, immersing himself in diverse cultures and traditions. He met luminaries like Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, Desmond Tutu, and the Dalai Lama, absorbing wisdom from each encounter. Yet his odyssey was not without challenges. He faced the harsh realities of racism, oppression, and poverty. He bore witness to the devastation of war and the scourge of disease. Intriguingly, Credo's encounters were not limited to the terrestrial. He shared tales of meetings with supernatural entities, of fairies and angels, demons, even extraterrestrial beings. He spoke of an abduction by reptilian creatures who implanted in him a device that granted visions of the future. Each experience, no matter how strange or unsettling, only furthered his understanding of the world's complexities. Despite the difficulties, Credo's commitment to understanding the world around him never wavered. Credo Mutwa's journey was not just for his own understanding, but to share the wisdom of Africa with the world. His contributions to cultural preservation and spiritual understanding are vast and enduring. His dedication to preserving African wisdom led him to found an African cultural village in Soweto. This vibrant hub of culture and history showcases his remarkable sculptures and paintings that brilliantly capture Africa's rich history and mythology. Credo's passion for sharing wisdom didn't stop at visual arts. He penned several books that delve into his personal experiences and extensive research on African spirituality, cosmology, folklore, and prophecy. Each page is a testament to his profound understanding of the intricate web of life and its interconnectedness. However, Credo Mutwa was not just a spiritual teacher and artist. He was also a tireless advocate, raising his voice against injustices and corruption. His teachings and warnings about the dangers of losing cultural identity in the face of globalization and modernization resonate strongly in our times. His contributions transcend beyond the tangible. Credo's teachings about peace, harmony, and respect for all life forms have echoed around the world, inspiring countless individuals and sparking a deep sense of awareness and responsibility. Credo Mutwa may have passed on, but his teachings continue to inspire and guide us today. His legacy serves as a beacon, illuminating the path towards understanding, compassion, and unity amidst our diverse global community. Credo Mutwa's life was a testament to the power of wisdom, resilience, and understanding. He journeyed from Zululand to the world stage, preserving and sharing the ancient wisdom of the African people. His spiritual awakening, wanderings, encounters, and contributions have left a profound legacy. His teachings and prophecies, his advocacy for peace and respect, and his warnings against the loss of identity and culture continue to resonate. As we remember Credo Mutwa, Let us also remember his message to find harmony and respect among all people and all living beings.